day, math heroes! I am Sir Ike, the professor. Welcome to another day of learning math in the most awesome, most amazing, and most fantastic way. Today, we will complete your divisibility superpower. Can you finish all the drills of Super Driller? What will be our Supermath's new adventure? Let's wonder together with Wonder Woman and join the thunders of Brainstorm. And while doing all that, don't forget to take a picture with Bat Math. All that and more right here in Mathtastic 5. Math heroes! For today's lesson, you will learn another superpower technique in dividing one number by another number without doing any computation. We will also teach you how to use the divisibility rules to find the common factors of the numbers. Before we begin, we have to revisit some of the lessons we discussed in the previous episode. When it's review time, there is only one person to call. One of your favorite Mathtastic heroes, the great Super Driller.
Hello Math heroes! Welcome back to the Math Universe. I am Super Driller, your review hero. For today's review, let's revisit the superpower technique you learned in our last math journey. You have learned the divisibility rules for 3, 6, and 9. Now, let me ask you, how will you know if a number is divisible by 3? Math heroes, let's read together. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. You also mastered the divisibility rule for 6. How will you know if a number is divisible by 6? A number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 2 and 3. Therefore, we need to review the divisibility rules for 2 and 3. How about the divisibility rule for 9? How will you know if a number is divisible by 9? A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9. And finally, what is a common factor? A common factor is a factor that is the same for two or more numbers. Great! I can see that you mastered your lesson last time. Today, you need to pass my drill by answering all my questions before proceeding to the next level. Are you ready? Let's go! For today, I have prepared 3 sets of drills. For the first drill, you need to circle the number if the number is divisible by 3. Let's begin! Of the 3 numbers, what numbers can be divided by 3? You have 10 seconds to answer. Time's up! The answers are 624 and 609. Next, of the 3 numbers, what numbers can be divided by 6? You have 10 seconds to answer. Time's up! The answers are 3,690 and 162. Finally, of the 3 numbers, what numbers can be divided by 9? You have 10 seconds to answer. Time's up! The answers are 846 and 3,609. I hope you got all the right answers, math heroes. Always remember, constant correct practice makes perfect. See you on your next quest. Up, up, and away!
I heard you did great, math heroes! You always impress Super Driller with your superpower in answering all his questions. But now, allow me to take you on yet another journey. Coming up next is your favorite math adventure time. Are you ready? Math heroes, it's not a plane, it's not a bird, it's Super Math.
I have traveled across the galaxy with the mission to share the most incredible stories to help you understand math better. Math heroes, let me tell you today's math adventure. After Super Kid Ricky submitted his photo collage project to his science teacher, he was really happy and satisfied with the result and proudly shared it to his classmates. When science class was over, they proceeded with their math class. This time, Super Kid Ricky is having some trouble with the last set of divisibility rules. It was too much for him to understand. Frustrated on his way home, I decided to meet Ricky the Super Kid. Ricky, why are you sad? I thought you were happy with your science project.
Super Math, I am confused with my math lesson. I can't remember the last set of divisibility rules.
Oh, what's your topic all about?
Divisibility rules for 4, 8, 12, and 11.
Don't worry, Ricky. We are here to help.
Wow! Thank you, Super Math.
No problem. Math heroes, let's find out and help Ricky count.
There you go, Math heroes! Ricky needs help in his lesson on divisibility rules for 4, 8, 12, and 11. Are you ready to help him? Great! Let's begin. Divisibility rules tell whether a number is exactly divisible by other numbers. This rule is a shortcut way to decide whether a number is exactly divisible by another number without doing division computation.
Let's begin with the divisibility rule for 4.
A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits form a number that is divisible by 4. Also, numbers ending in two zeros are divisible by 4. For example, 348. Is 348 divisible by 4? Let's take a look at the last two digits of the number. The last two digits of 348 is 48. If we divide 48 by 4, the answer is 12. Therefore, the answer is yes. 348 is divisible by 4. Math heroes, let's check if you are listening well. Let's have other drills with Super Driller.
It's me, the Super Driller. Answer this drill with yes or no. Let's begin with 200. Is 200 divisible by 4? Let's take a look at the last two digits of the number. The last two digits of 200 are two zeros. Since the rule states that if the last two digits of a number are two zeros, it is divisible by 4. Our answer is yes, 200 is divisible by 4. You're doing good. How about this? 613. Is 613 divisible by 4? Let's take a look at the last two digits of the number. The last two digits of 613 is 13, and 13 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, our answer is no. 613 is not divisible by 4. Haha! I thought I could trick you with that one. Up, up, and away!
Let's proceed with the divisibility rule for 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last three digits is divisible by 8. A number ending in three zeros is also divisible by 8.
For example, 9,216. Is 9,216 divisible by 8? Let's take a look at the last three digits of the number. The last three digits of 9,216 is 216. If we divide 216 by 8, the answer is 27. Therefore, yes, 9,216 is divisible by 8. Super Driller, take it away.
Let's see if you're listening to the professor. 28,000. Is 28,000 divisible by 8? Let's take a look at the last 3 digits of the number. The last 3 digits of 28,000 are 3 zeros. The rule states that if the last 3 digits of a number are 3 zeros, it is divisible by 8. So, our answer is yes, 28,000 is divisible by 8. Another drill. 7,768. Is 7,768 divisible by 8? Let's take a look at the last 3 digits of the number. The last 3 digits of 7,768 is 768. If we divide 768 by 8, the answer is 96. Since 768 is divisible by 8, therefore 7,768 is divisible by 8. Up, up, and away!
Our next divisibility rule is for 12. A number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by both 3 and 4.
For example, 36. Is 36 divisible by 12? Let's check whether the number is divisible by 3 and 4. Let's start with the divisibility rule for 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. In this case, 36. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 36 is divisible by 3. Next, let's check if 36 is divisible by 4. A number is only divisible by 4 if the last 2 digits are either 2 zeros or form a number that is divisible by 4. In this case, 36 is our only number. If we divide 36 by 4, the answer is 9. So 36 is also divisible by 4. Since 36 is divisible by 3 and 4, 36 is also divisible by 12. Math heroes, it's drill time!
Alright, let's see if you can pass this one. Math heroes, how about 7,980? Is 7,980 divisible by 12? Let's check whether the number is divisible by 3 and 4. To check if the number is divisible by 3, let's add all the digits of the number. 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus 0 is equal to 24. 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. Since 24 is divisible by 3, therefore, 7,980 is divisible by 3. Now, let's see if 7,980 is divisible by 4. To check if the number is divisible by 4, let's take a look at the last 2 digits of the number. The last 2 digits of 7,980 is 80. If we divide 80 by 4, the answer is 20. Since 80 is divisible by 4, therefore, 7,980 is divisible by 4. In conclusion, since 7,980 is divisible by 3 and 4, therefore, 7,980 is also divisible by 12. How about this one? 8,292. Is 8,292 divisible by 12? Let's check whether the number is divisible by 3 and 4. To check if the number is divisible by 3, let's add all the digits of the number. 8 plus 2 plus 9 plus 2 is equal to 21. 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. Since 21 is divisible by 3, therefore 8,292 is divisible by 3. Now, let's see if 8,292 is also divisible by 4. To check if the number is divisible by 4, let's take a look at the last 2 digits of the number. The last 2 digits of 8,292 is 92. If we divide 92 by 4, the answer is 23. Since 92 is divisible by 4, therefore 8,292 is divisible by 4. In conclusion, since 8,292 is divisible by 3 and 4, therefore 8,292 is also divisible by 12. Up, up, and away!
And for our final rule, the divisibility rule for 11.
A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sums of the digits in the odd places and the sum of the digits in the even places are either 0 or divisible by 11. Let's make it easier. Let's take a look at these examples. 22,264. Is 22,264 divisible by 11? First, let's separate the digits in odd places. These are 4, 2, and 2. Second, let's identify the numbers in the even places. 6 and 2. Third, let's find the sum of the digits in odd places. 2 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 8. Fourth, let's add the numbers in the even places. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Last step, let's find the difference of the two sums. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Can you still remember the divisibility rule for 11? It states that the difference between the sum of the digits in the even places and odd places is either 0 or divisible by 11. In this case, the difference of the two sums is 0. Therefore, 22,264 is divisible by 11. Math heroes, it's drill time with Super Driller.
Math heroes, are you ready for the drill? Let's begin with 50,248. Is 50,248 divisible by 11? What's the first step? Right, let's separate the digits in the odd places. These are 8, 2, and 5. Second, let's identify the numbers in the even places. 4 and 0. Third, let's find the sum of the digits in the odd places. 5 plus 2 plus 8 is equal to 15. Fourth, let's add the numbers in the even places. 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Last step, let's find the difference of the two sums. 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. In this case, the difference of the two sums is 11. Therefore, 50,248 is divisible by 11. Math heroes, here's more. 192,709. Is 192,709 divisible by 11? What's the first step? Right! Let's separate the digits in the odd places. These are 9, 7, and 9. Second, let's identify the numbers in the even places. 0, 2, and 1. Third, let's find the sum of the digits in the odd places. 9 plus 7 plus 9 is equal to 25. Fourth, let's add the numbers in the even places. 1 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 3. Last step, let's find the difference of the two sums. 25 minus 3 is equal to 22. Since 22 is divisible by 11, therefore 192,709 is divisible by 11. Up, up, and away!
Congratulations, Math heroes! I am so proud of you. But wait, there's more. Let's wonder together with our Wonder Hero, the Wonder Woman.
Hello, Math heroes! I heard you're all doing well. I wonder if you have mastered the skills. Can you still remember the divisibility rules for 4, 8, 12, and 11? How about the common factor? Well, let's see. How will you know if a number is divisible by 4? A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits form a number that is divisible by 4. Also, numbers ending in two zeros are divisible by 4. What is the divisibility rule for 8? A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. A number ending in 3 zeros is also divisible by 8. How about the divisibility rule for 12? A number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by both 3 and 4. And how will you know if a number is divisible by 11? A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits in the odd places and the sum of the digits in the even places are either 0 or divisible by 11. Now, what is a common factor? A common factor is a factor that is the same for 2 or more numbers. Great job! All my wonders have been answered. See you again, and remember, never lose your sense of wonder. Up, up, and away!
Math Heroes, the Mathastic 5 gang and I had a super amazing time with you. Next time, we will discuss more math adventures using the divisibility rules. And as promised, I will give you your first Mathastic 5 costume. Are you excited? I now present to you your Mathastic face mask. This Mathastic face mask will keep you safe from danger in the math universe. And of course, to complete our Mathastic 5 heroes, it's time to identify our math hero for today, with no other than Bat Math.
After searching every corner of the universe, I present you the math hero of the day. Zairine Junco, Grade 5, Sumag Elementary School, District 7, Division of Bacolod City. Show us your true power by sending your picture while watching our Mathastic 5 episodes in our Facebook page. Just search Mathtastic 5 or post your photos with a hashtag Mathtastic Hero and be featured in our next Mathtastic 5 episodes. Watch out for updates on the social media pages of DepEd TV channel. I am Batmath and I will find you.
Do you have what it takes to become a math hero? Be part of the Brainy Bunch with me, Sir Ike, the Professor, and the remarkable Mathastic 5. Mathastic 5, assemble!